Welcome to Kenya, a land where culture and landscape weave together to create an unforgettable tapestry. Home to over 40 ethnic groups like the Kikuyu, Luo, Kalenjin, and Maasai, Kenya's cultural diversity shines in its languages, traditions, music, and arts. Basic Swahili phrases, jambo for hello, asante for thank you, bridge cultures and win hearts. Enjoy authentic Kenyan flavors, from ugali, the staple maize dish, to nyama choma, roasted meats, and don't miss coastal specialties like samaki wakupaka. Dive into culture through rhythmic dances like the Maasai adumu, or admire exquisite beadwork and crafts at local art markets. Time your visit right, and you'll experience vibrant festivals like Mombasa Carnival, Lamu's Cultural Extravaganza, or the patriotic Jamhuri Day celebrations. Kenya is a wildlife paradise. Spot the Big Five on safari, or support conservation efforts like those at Sheldrick Trust and Old Pajeta. Your visit can make a difference. Kenya awaits, rich in culture, warm in spirit. Journey deeper.